But first, an Oklahoma death row inmate's quest for freedom. Richard Glossip has been on death row for 25 years.
He was convicted in the 1997 murder for hire of his boss, hotel owner Barry Vantrease. Glossip is accused of hiring Justin Sneed to kill Mr. Vantrease. Thank you for joining us, everyone. I'm Kevin Ogle.
And I'm Jolene Cheney. Today, an independent investigation spearheaded by a group of attorneys and Oklahoma lawmakers. They claim that no reasonable jury would have convicted Richard Glossip. News 4's Austin Brissett joins us with more. Austin.
Well, Jolene, Kevin, lawmakers and the law firm are saying they found things like the ordered destruction of evidence and contaminated interrogations by detectives that, quote, cast grave doubt as to the integrity of Glossip's murder conviction and death sentence.
I personally believe that we might have an innocent man on death row.
After hours of looking into the case, 30 attorneys with the law firm Reed Smith, specializing in justice for prisoners, reaching this 350-page report claiming proof of his innocence.
Oklahoma needs to do the right thing. We need to right this wrong by allowing this new evidence to be heard in criminal appeals court.
The firm's findings say 19-year-old Justin Sneed, described as a drug addict with a criminal history, killed Barry Vantrease and later claimed Glossip hired him. Stan Perry with Reed Smith says Sneed's interview with detectives is an example of the contaminated interrogations.
In the first 20 minutes when they interviewed Mr. Sneed, they mentioned Glossip's name 6 times. And they told him, "We know he's behind it."
Other issues, they say, include the handling of the crime scene by not logging evidence or providing it during trial, adding that they have proof the district attorney's office ordered the destruction of evidence.
A box containing 10 items, duct tape, shower curtain, financial records, was destroyed. That's inexcusable.
They also say the state relied only on the testimony of Sneed to tie Glossip to the murder. Also at issue, years later, the group says a member of the prosecuting team at the time was on the Pardon and Parole Board during Glossip's hearing.
She did not recuse herself from that board.
With executions in Oklahoma set to resume, Glossip is high on that list.
If we put Richard Glossip to death, I will fight in this state to abolish the death penalty simply because the process is not pure.
Now, the main question is what's next? Glossip has exhausted his appeals, but Representative McDougal urged Attorney General John O'Connor to listen to one more appeal in light of these findings. The AG's office tells us they will not be releasing a statement at this time. We also reached out to the Vantrease family for comment, but we have not heard back.